Let's make 2021 even better.
Did it get better? I just applied for university, worked for some of Germany's biggest YouTubers, and now I'm here in Berlin. It got so much better. But let's switch back in time and have a look at the beginning.
In early January it was minus 18 degrees and my friends and I decided to go ice skating for sunrise on a frozen day.
That didn't work out too great yet. After the minus 18 degrees in early January, my new skates arrived a bit too late and I decided to make some product videos with them. Then I tried making some tutorials, teach myself some animation skills, and yeah, shot my first music video. Soon after I made these nice shots, 2 of our videos hit 10k on YouTube. Since I finished school last year, it was now time to apply for the film school. For that I needed an application video, which took me about 3 weeks.
Du hast die GoPro in der Hand.
While shooting, Chris came up with this joke.
Ja, und zu Film und hier. Sie wurden abgelehnt.
Echt? Ich wurde abgelehnt?
Sie wurden abgelehnt.
Ja, perfekt, dann können wir es auch hier beenden. Guess what? We didn't get accepted. After that rejection, my life was stuck and I didn't know what to do. Being pretty disappointed about the rejection, I opened up YouTube, scrolled through it and saw that Felix von der Laden, one of my favorite childhood YouTubers, is searching for a new cameraman and cutter.
Wir suchen Verstärkung. Ihr könnt Teil von Team Spielkind werden, wenn ihr filmen könnt, wenn ihr schneiden könnt, wenn ihr Bock habt, Teil von Team Spielkind zu sein.
I made an application video, he reacted to it and after that I got invited to Cologne to spend a day with him. Mein Name ist Jonas, seit 5 Jahren filme und fotografiere ich gern. Ich bin heute Sonntag und darauf bauen wir eingeguckt.
It's lights out and away we go. Strong, auch 10 von 10, 9 von 10, 10 von 10. Gehört auch zu Leuten, die ich einladen würde, definitiv. Danke Jonas für deine Bewerbung an der Stelle.
A couple of days later, I received an email. If I want to be a Facebook video editor for AR, and for sure I said yes. And with that, I probably made one of the best decisions in my life.
Und jetzt blaulicht, so kleine Kokstütchen.
Pedro, zu dir muss ich leider sagen, die Tasche kannst du nicht so tragen.
A week later, it was finally time to drive to Cologne to spend a day with Team Spielkind.
Servus! Boxenstopp, weißt du, 2 Sekunden, Wurm, weiter geht's. Moin, moin Jonas. Auf grün, es geht los. Ich starte von der 4. Position. Links neben mir ist Tim, vor mir Micha und links vorne. Da ist der Jonas, der jetzt auch in Führung geht hier. Sekunden hinter ihm. Es war nicht so leicht vorbeiziehen. Ich täusche wieder an, geht rein, aber nein, schafft es nicht. Kommt gleich sehr langsam aus der Kurve raus und nein, Tim kommt da nicht durch.
What a race, I still can't believe it. After that we headed home to edit the video, ate some burger, and a big thanks goes out to Felix von der Laden and Michael and Tim for the rest of the day. After all these crazy experiences, Chris and I decided to make a weekend trip to Amsterdam. One of the craziest things in 2021, I guess that's deciding to drive to the North Sea at 2 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, an hour later we were all sitting in the car.
Bist du müde?
Didn't have enough of the ocean. Later we went to the Baltic Sea to surprise Finja on her birthday.
Guten Tag.
That wasn't all the crazy shit. After Felix von der Laden uploaded the video with me in it, I got the chance to shoot the summer sale event of Smilo Dogs. That was an unforgettable experience. That's one of the portraits I shot with Stephanie Davis, and I guess that's one of my favorites in 2021. After this weekend, we went to Mallorca. That was the only holiday where I left my camera at home, and after that we went to the Baltic Sea with my family again. After that my life changed and I moved to Berlin. And now I'm sitting here in my own apartment. Well, that's the studio. Now I want to show you some of my favorite projects I realized here in Berlin.
As long as you are mine, I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time. It won't always be easy, just as sure as the sun will rise. I'll be there when you need me. With every
Can we meet in the dark?
Where do we come from? What has made up the strings of our minds?
Ich habe ein Meeting. Also wir sind bei Aaron jetzt im Kiosk.
As you can see, next to my full-time job, I got the chance to shoot for a nightclub. I took some nice photos and this reel. Yeah, that's not the only one. Back in Münster, I helped some friends do another one.
I will spend it all. Take me back to summer lane, somewhere I belong. Somewhere I am one and only, living in a dream. I will put it on my hours, this is how I feel. Spending all my honey money.
What's up guys, hope you're doing well.
So as you saw, I continued doing photo shoots, and in late October we went to Marbella. I managed to delete the full-size time-lapse, so sorry.
Later this year I spent hours with editing in trains. When it got cold in Münster, I could finally try my new ice skates, which looked like this.
That looked better than a year ago, right? Now let's have a look at some of my pictures I took this year. After that I turned 20, which is still a crazy age, and we celebrated New Year's Eve. 2021 was a crazy year. It changed my life completely. I met so many cool people and got so much nice experiences, so see you next year.